Mabuhay and good day everyone. We are the Group 4 and today we are here to present our chosen facility for our mood board which is coffee shop. Our coffee shop name is Lagoon Cafe and here's our logo. Lagoon Cafe is a peaceful dining spot that blends local and international cuisine with a relaxing lagoon view. It offers fresh, high quality dishes and calm atmosphere perfect for families, friends, and for special gatherings. Our tagline is where freshness meets the lagoon breeze. Next is our location. It locates at Village Sports Club, located at corner of El Grande Avenue and Tropical Avenue in BF Homes, Parañaque. Here's our organizational chart. Kim Shanley Barosa as the owner of the cafe, and I'm with co-worker Isaiah Jan Enerio and Iron J. Salba. Next is Mr. Enario.
For our vision to be the leading nature-inspired cafe that offers a serene escape and a memorable dining experience, where every guest feels refreshed, connected, and inspired by the beauty of nature. We envision Lagoon Cafe as a sanctuary where people can unwind from the busyness of life, enjoy meaningful conversation, and immerse themselves in an atmosphere of peace and authenticity. By blending nature's calm and culinary creativity, we aim to become a beloved destination known for heartwarming moments, sustainability, and genuine hospitality. For our mission, craft not just meals but experiences, nourishing both body and soul through fresh flavors, mindful service, and strong connection to nature. We strive to be a place where guests can relax, recharge, and feel at home, whether they're seeking a peaceful solo escape, a cozy date spot, or a space to gather with loved ones. Through our eco-conscious practices, support for local communities, and passion for hospitality, we aim to create lasting impact beyond the table. Next reporter, please.
For our goal, Lagoon Cafe aims to provide a welcoming and relaxing atmosphere where every guest feels at ease. We strive to create a unique space where people can unwind, enjoy delicious food and drinks, and take a break from the fast pace of daily life. Our goal is to make every visit feel like a peaceful escape. We are dedicated to promoting sustainable and responsible practices in everything we do. From choosing eco-friendly materials to sourcing ingredients locally, our goal is to operate in harmony with nature and contribute positively to the environment. We believe that good business goes in hand with caring for the world around us. Another core goal of Lagoon Cafe is to build meaningful connections within the community. We want to be more than just a cafe. We aim to be a gathering place for friends, families, and neighbors. Through events, collaborations, and warm atmosphere, we hope to create lasting bonds with people we serve. Next, please.
And here's our target market, young professional, student, nature-loving individuals, couples, family, and small group. Our time of operation is 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Monday to Sunday. Here's our menu. We offers coffee, tea, non-coffee, frap, dessert, and pastry. Next po.
For our color scheme, the color palette for our underwater cafe has been thoughtfully created to reflect both the tranquility of the sea and the warmth of a welcoming space. Each color plays a vital role in shaping the ambience and enhancing the guest experience. For Deep Lagoon Blue, this rich serene shade is the cornerstone of our design. It mirrors the calm and mystery of deep ocean waters, immediately immersing guests in a soothing underwater atmosphere. Muted Gold. Present in pendant lights and signage, this subtle gold adds refined warmth and a hint of luxury. Warm Oak Brown. Used in wooden furniture and cabinetry. This earth tone grounds the space, adding a sense of coziness and natural comfort. Leaf Green. Introduced through lush indoor plants, this natural green brings vitality and freshness into the cafe. Soft sand beige. Seen on the flooring adorned with fish patterns, this airy neutral mimics soft sand and balances the palette. It keeps the space feeling open, clean, and relaxed. Charcoal black. Used sparingly for structural accents like chair legs and table bases. This strong grounding color adds visual contrast and modern definition without overpowering the palette. Next, please.
For the illuminations, the lighting is soft and ambient, primarily from brushed brass. Pendant lights that hang over the seating area. The golden glow enhances the underwater warmth while maintaining a modern cafe aesthetic. Our lighting design emphasizes a soft and ambient atmosphere created. These fixtures cast a warm golden glow over the seating area, reinforcing the underwater theme while preserving a clean modern cafe aesthetic. The lighting helps set a relaxing, welcoming tone for our guests. Next, please.
Acoustic noise and music. Lagoon Cafe hums with a gentle, calm energy. Soft acoustic melodies and mellow jazz tunes drift through the air, harmonizing with the natural sounds of rustling leaves, chirping birds, and the occasional splash of nearby water. The music never overwhelms, it simply sets a peaceful tone, perfect for slow mornings, cozy conversations, or moments of quiet reflections. Next, please.
Next is a climate and odor. The Lagoon Cafe is designed to create cool and refreshing atmosphere with natural airflow and seaside scents like fresh brews and sea salt, offering a relaxing and tropical experience for customer. Next, please.
For the furnishings, our furniture choices are thoughtfully curated to reflect both comfort and style. We use round, soft-edged wooden tables to encourage an organic, welcoming flow in the space. The chairs are modern design, upholstered in rich navy blue fabric that complements the marine theme, while their walnut brown legs tie into the cafe's natural tones. The sleek bar counter also mirrors these wood textures, providing a seamless visual transition between service and seating areas. Together, these elements create a cohesive and relaxing dining environment that feels both contemporary and inspired by nature. Next, please.
Next is our table appointments. The cafe figures is minimalist round tables with 31.5 inches and the height is 29.5 inches. It is comfortable for 3 to 2 person and the design blends comfort and elegance to match the cafe relax and seaside vibe. Next please.
For the type of seating arrangements are designed for flexibility and comfort. We've included a mix of two-person tables for intimacy, larger ones for groups, and potentially a cozy bench near the window for those who prefer for a casual look. Our chair style features a minimalist wooden frame, slightly curved backrest for ergonomic support, and padded dark fabric cushions for comfort and contrast. The leg design adds both stability and a touch of Scandinavian elegance. These choices promote long, comfortable stays, perfect for casual catch-ups, remote work, or solo relaxation. Next, please.
Shape and size of the room. Lagoon Cafe is set in a rectangular room measuring approximately 10 meters by 6 meters with a ceiling height of 3.5 meters that adds to the cafe's open air feel. For the front zone, this this is the cafe's functional hub featuring a sleek counter and bar area with coffee machines and the ordering station designed to be efficient and welcoming. For the middle zone, The heart of the space filled with round tables and chairs arranged for cozy, unhurried seating. This open area encourages conversation and relaxation. For the side and corners, adorned with potted greenery, this natural touch softens the layout, bringing life and warmth to the environment. Floor to ceiling windows. One long wall is entirely glass, flooding the room with natural light and offering a seamless connection to the outside world. Entrance. Guests are welcomed via a front-facing door and a small tiled path, setting a serene tone from the moment they enter. Next, please.
Here's our blueprint and store layout. And here's our mood board, which is we use from the previous slide. That's all. Thank you.